Let us learn the difference between altar and altar. Altar. It is a raised platform or table used in various religious and spiritual practices, primarily for making offerings, sacrifices, or conducting ceremonies. It is typically found in places of worship such as churches, temples, or other sacred spaces. For example, they set up a small altar in their living room for personal prayers and spiritual reflection. Or the priest conducted the Holy Communion at the altar during the Sunday service. On the other hand, alter, it means to change or modify something, typically referring to making adjustments or modifications to an object or document. For example, she had to alter the dress because it was too long. Here, alter refers to changing the length of the dress to fit better. Or, the project timeline was altered due to unforeseen delays. In this case, alter means that the timeline was adjusted or modified. In short, alter is a noun referring to a religious platform, while alter is a verb meaning to change or modify something. Now, to evaluate your understanding of these terms, take the quiz and leave a comment with your score at the end of the video.